Hey friends, we are back with another video, and today we are going to be making these super adorable, super simple, and super useful New Year's Eve or New Year's Day recovery kits. They are so stinking cute. I've been wanting to make these for a while, so stay tuned. It's super easy, and I'm going to have this label in my description box. So now we're just printing it out, and you can use just your regular printer, but as you see the registration lines, I'm printing mine from Cricut so that I can just cut it out with my Cricut. It's just easier that way, and it gives clean lines, but of course you can use scissors as well. All right, y'all, so it's all printed. Now I'm going to get it set up on the Canva mat. What you guys don't know is that my office is super chaotic right now. I'm in the process of moving some things around just so that it can have a more cohesive space where all of my craft items are in one area, and just to have a cleaner look, because if you've been watching me, you know that I do share an office with my husband, and so I'm just trying to make it a usable space. So that's why I have not been on camera in a while. I'm still trying to figure out my life. Okay, let's go ahead and put this in the Cricut machine. And I can't find my tripod because it's pretty crazy in here. I'm gonna post what it looks like maybe in a short or something, because it is a wreck. I moved out some of my cabinets, or one of my cabinets, and it had all of my craft items on there, so they're like all sitting on the floor. I don't know where anything is, and that's the real reason why I want to redo the space, just so I can know where everything is immediately, so that I'm not wasting time and purchasing more products that I already have and just, searching for items. Anywho, so it's doing its thing, cutting out. I'll come back once it's done. Okay, let's go ahead and pull these off the mat. So my cutting settings on the Cricut is hard, I can't get my words out, hard stock, and I keep it at the default setting, and that allows me to kind of do this die cut where it cuts it out in its entirety, as opposed to just leaving the sticker on the sheet. Just going to take all of these off. All right, y'all, so I am filming with a teeny tiny tripod. I don't know where my other one is. Okay, so these are the items that you need. So you'll need this pill case. I think it's a 60. I think they call it drams, but I'll link it below. And I just purchased these to try it out. Not sure if I'm going to stick with these ones or actually use the twist tops, but I got these. These come in a pack of 4, I believe, for like $12. Again, I'll link it. And then I just have some little items that can fit in there. That's perfect for a hangover. And I got these items from Amazon as well in bulk. So what we're going to do, of course, is take the label and just put it on there. All right. So because this is not the version that has the screw top, there is a clear front. So I'm going to just put this sticker on the front. I'm debating if I'm going to pull it from the side or from the top, but I think I'm going to pull it from the side. And so this is printed on just normal koala sticker paper, but I would actually prefer to print it on my vinyl paper. But this is just a mock-up specifically for this video, just because it looks better, it looks shinier, and it allows room for mistakes. Okay, so I peeled it off on the side, and I'm just going to try to center it. Smooth that down, and then pull the back as I'm pressing the front down. And it's that simple, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You don't know how long I've been wanting to try this. And so I designed everything in Canva, but I'm going to clean up the design a bit before I list it. Well, by the time you all see this, it will already be cleaned up and listed. I just want to bring this down a little bit. And I think that's the biggest thing, and bring this over. All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and fill it in. All right, we're going to start with the vitamin C. And look how this thing is huge. It fits a lot of stuff. And just go ahead and add all the items in there. Have some Advil, all the things that you need for a hangover. I don't get hangovers anymore, y'all, because I do not drink like that, because I have a low tolerance. I got all my drinking out in college. It does not bring me joy. I do not like feeling sick and having to throw up. But my beverage of choice is a mojito or caipirinha. It's like a Brazilian mojito mule mix, and I like Moscow mules as well. Okay, and I got these from Amazon as well. I'll link these. And these are just like little hair ties. This is like the perfect fit. You can also put like some sticks of gum in there, some little chiclets, anything. How cute is that, y'all? There you go. We got 2 lit New Year Hangover Relief Kit. All right, y'all. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this video. I will be back up and running, hopefully sooner than later. I have to order some more things to put my things in, and then you can see my face and we can talk about what we are going to be doing for the new year, because I do have some fun plans and business ventures that I am seeking. So I want to tell you guys all about it. Thank you so much. I certainly hope that you enjoy this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all of my social medias. Thanks so much for watching.